Here we go. One of my absolute favorite things to do with corn on the cob is cook it, just boil it. We all know how to do that, right? And cut it down into these smaller pieces. And then I heat up a big Le Creuset Dutch oven. It could be any deep pot. And I put about a tablespoon. If you want a little more of ghee, you can. You can use non-dairy butter. There's a lot of butter alternatives out there too. You can use whatever you would like, regular butter, but I love ghee in there. I warm it up. I get my corn in there. This is so easy, and I love it because the kids are obsessed with my corn. And if you've had it, and I know a special someone, Miss Julia, I know you're gonna want your mom to make this for you, and I know your mom's gonna be watching, is all I'm gonna say. And then, all right, you're gonna let that warm up. It's already cooked, so really not much more to do in terms of cooking. Then we hit it with chaat masala. We talked about chaat masala on potatoes. Now we're gonna use it for corn. It is so yummy. Oh my gosh, yum yum. Really just about a teaspoon is enough for this much corn. And then I just want to hit it with a little bit of salt, because who does not love salt? Remember, our chaat masala has a little bit of kala namak, black salt in it, so you don't need a ton. You could hit it with a little paprika if you wanted to at this point to give it a really pretty reddish color. You could hit it with a little bit of red chili powder, cayenne, whatever you want to do. And you know what? You can use other spices as well, but the chaat masala you're going to find is perfect for this. And I know you are going to make this. And then you just basically give it to your kiddos as if it's a gourmet treat. They will not only eat it ferociously, but they will ask you, beg you again and again for more. It is all about the chaat masala, folks. Yummy, yummy corn on the cob in little smaller bite-sized pieces with a little ghee and our beautiful own Indian as apple pie chaat masala. To find out more about our chaat masala, order it, go to my website, indianasapplepie.com. See you there.